Quick pit stop in Paris, Texas, because it's wearing a hat. So we're dropping Wolfie off at Austin VW to get an oil change. Seems like they're in good hands. Gonna look at some other little bits and bobs, fast blinker. But the question of the day was, how do we drop a car off and still be able to go out and have fun? And the answer to that no trip to Austin is complete without a trip to Barton Springs. Although in our case we're going to Barking Springs because we've got the boys with us. It'll be the first time on the other side of the fence, but I think it's actually better. A, it's free, and you get to swim with dogs. Just an iguana on a leash. No big deal.
Later.
After a long day of errands, some mechanic excitement, we got Wolfie back, and we're settling down for a wholesome all-American bat viewing to see the flying of the bats in Austin.
So are all of those people.
As are 100 people on top of the bridge and all these people around us. We have seen the bats. They were pretty batty. Bat-tastic. Bat-delicious.
Several bad puns later.
One of our last tasks in Austin was to get ready for upcoming desert travel. We're headed southwest through Texas, and it's just really hot. It's hot in Austin, and there's water all around here. It's only gonna get worse. The van does not really have air conditioning. So we took Wolfie to a place called Tint World for a new pair of sunglasses. Check it out. The biggest downside, which we learned after the tint job was done, and maybe if you've gotten your car tinted before you already know this and you're like, what a bunch of idiots, but you can't roll down your windows for like 3 to 5 days after you get them tinted so the film can cure. And since we don't really have AC, we've been depending on rolling down the windows to keep us cool. So, this is going to be a trial by fire. As we head into the desert. Wish us luck.